guys, it's Mike and Susan, Christina. We're out just checking out things. We're up here on Mission Creek on the way to the Mission Creek Preserve. As you can see, the road's a little washed out. Well, let's show you the rest of the road. There is no road. It is completely gone. It is, gone. Be careful standing there. It's like a cave. So let's see. Yeah, this is about, I would say about halfway up the road to the gate. It's just going to be a minute, Christina. Huh? Just going to be a minute. As you can see, this is where the road was. It's bad. Pretty bad up here. Yep, and that's where the road begins. As you can see, the channel all the way up the road. I'm not going to go too far. Yeah, doesn't look too bad up there, but you do have one more stream crossing up a little bit further up, which is probably pretty bad. It's a little windy today, it's cold. But as you can see, I'm walking down the middle of the road. And then there's nothing. Probably I'd say a good 100 feet of road missing. Oh, that's weird. Whoa. From the time it took me to walk over to there, to walk back over here, we've got water running down the creek again. Hey Susan,
yeah?
There wasn't water here a second ago.
Oh wow. So we'll be really careful then.
Yeah, the water was not here when I crossed. just a minute ago.